Don't listen to him. Keep singing.
Why is it so boring?
Did you guys hear that?
What is that?
It's crashing!
Run!
It's
So, I don't want to see this.
Stay behind me.
It's opening. Hello? He's cute?
It's okay.
That's the aliens?
I don't think he's dangerous.
Friends? Can I pet him?
Oh no, what's happening? Who are they?
Okay, I have to admit, when I first saw these results, I genuinely didn't expect them to look this good. And the crazy part is that none of these clips were generated using the regular Seedance 2 model. Instead, they were created with a brand new model called Seedance 2 Mini. Now, if you've been generating AI videos for a while, then you probably know the struggle. You finally find a model that delivers amazing quality, but every generation burns through credits so quickly that experimenting becomes expensive. That's why Seedance 2 Mini immediately caught my attention. Because on paper, it's promising something every creator wants. Very similar quality to Seedance 2. Generation speeds up to 2 times faster and around 50% fewer credits. And honestly, if those claims are true, this could become the smarter choice for a lot of creators. But here's the challenge. Right now, very few creators actually have access to Seedance 2 Mini. So instead of talking about it, let's test it ourselves and see if it really lives up to the hype. For that, I'll be using LitMedia AI, which is currently the first platform giving creators access to Seedance 2 Mini. And that's actually one of the reasons I like using LitMedia in general. Instead of jumping between different websites and subscriptions, I can access a huge collection of AI image and video models from one place. It saves a lot of time, it keeps everything organized, and honestly, it makes experimenting with new AI tools much easier. So if you want to follow along, just open the link in the description, create your account using Google or email, and you'll land on a dashboard like this. As you can see, it's packed with AI tools that most content creators use on a daily basis. But we're not here to explore everything today. Our goal is simple. Let's put Seedance 2 Mini to the test and find out whether it actually deserves the attention it's getting. So let's get started. So once you're inside LitMedia, getting started is actually pretty simple. Right here on the homepage, you'll already see the Seedance 2 Mini banner, and opening it takes you directly into the generation workspace. As you can see, the model is already selected, so we can jump straight into testing. Now, for this first test, I don't want to generate something random. One of the biggest challenges in AI video generation is character consistency. Creating a video is easy. Keeping multiple characters consistent while generating natural motion, that's where things usually start falling apart. So let's see how Seedance 2 Mini handles it. For this example, I'm going to use 4 reference images, including this 3D cartoon boy along with 3 additional characters. And one thing I really like here is that I'm not limited to a single reference image. I can upload multiple references, which gives the model much more context about the characters I'm trying to create. Now I'll add my prompt, keep the settings fairly standard, set the duration to 15 seconds, resolution to 720p, and use a 16:9 aspect ratio. Nothing fancy, no special tricks. All right, let's hit create and see what happens. And here's the result.
Slow down, Puko! Catch me if you can! Guys, come here, look at this!
No way. It's huge.
I think we should leave, me too.
First impression? The character consistency is actually better than I expected. The 3D cartoon boy keeps his overall appearance surprisingly well, and the model does a good job maintaining the visual identity of the characters throughout the scene. I'm also noticing that the motion feels smooth without introducing too many strange artifacts, which is usually one of the first things I look for when testing a new video model. For a first generation, that's a very promising start. But one successful result isn't enough. Let's push it further and see how it performs in more challenging scenarios. The character consistency test was impressive, but let's be honest, most creators aren't generating cartoon characters every day. What really matters is how a model handles real human faces, because that's where a lot of AI video generators start struggling. You upload a photo of yourself, and suddenly the face changes, the identity gets lost, or the motion starts looking unnatural. So for this test, I'm going to make things a little more personal. Instead of using an AI character, I'm going to use my own image. Let's upload it and see how well Seedance 2 Mini can preserve facial details while placing me inside a completely different environment. For the prompt, let's create something fun. So I am using a template prompt in which I score a goal in a football match. Everything else will stay fairly standard. Let's generate it and see what happens. Okay, this is actually interesting. The first thing I notice is that it did a surprisingly good job preserving my identity. The face still looks like me, the overall structure remains consistent, and the movement feels natural instead of overly artificial. The stadium environment also looks convincing, and the model blends the subject into the scene much better than I expected. For creators who want to animate real photos, that's a pretty important test to pass. But now I want to push things even further, because so far we've tested character consistency and human faces. The next challenge is something much harder: fast motion and cinematic action. Now, before moving to the next video test, there's something else I want to show you. Because creating great AI videos doesn't start with the video model, it starts with the image. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to improve your AI videos is to start with a stronger image in the first place. So let's quickly jump over to GPT Image 2. For this example, I'm going to create something cinematic. Let's go with a young football superstar standing inside a massive World Cup stadium moments before the final match. Dramatic lighting, ultra-realistic details, professional sports photography, crowd in the background. Let's generate it. Okay, wow. And honestly, this looks incredible. The lighting, the details, the overall composition, this already feels like a frame from a movie. This is exactly why I've been enjoying GPT Image 2 so much lately. The image quality is consistently impressive, the details are sharp, and it does a fantastic job creating cinematic scenes like this. Now here's where things get interesting. Instead of stopping at a static image, let's see if Seedance 2 Mini can successfully bring the scene to life. I'll take this image, switch back to Seedance 2 Mini, upload it as the source image, and create a cinematic video prompt. Something like, the football player confidently walks toward the stadium entrance while cameras flash around him. The crowd roars in the background. Cinematic camera movement, realistic motion, dramatic atmosphere. Let's generate it. And here's the result. This is probably one of the most practical workflows we've tested in this entire video, because everything started from a single AI-generated image. And within a few minutes, we transformed it into a fully animated cinematic sequence. The motion looks natural, the atmosphere remains consistent. And most importantly, the original image quality carries over surprisingly well into the final video. If your goal is creating social media content, YouTube visuals, short films, or marketing videos, this kind of workflow can save a huge amount of time. And that's one of the things I like about LitMedia. You can generate the image with GPT Image 2 and then immediately move into Seedance 2 Mini without jumping between multiple platforms. And I think this is where Seedance 2 Mini starts making a lot of sense. Now, after all these tests, let's talk about the final verdict. So after testing Seedance 2 Mini across multiple real-world scenarios, I think I finally have a pretty clear picture of where this model stands. Going into this video, I was honestly expecting some kind of compromise. Usually when a model is faster and cheaper, you end up sacrificing quality somewhere along the way. But after running all these tests, that trade-off wasn't nearly as obvious as I expected. The character consistency was solid. The human face test performed surprisingly well, and even the GPT Image 2 workflow produced results that looked genuinely impressive. Now, is Seedance 2 Mini perfect? Of course not. No AI video model is. But what impressed me most is how close the results feel to the regular Seedance experience while being significantly more efficient. You're getting fast generation speeds, lower credit usage, and output quality that honestly holds up really well in practical use cases. And I think that's exactly why this model is going to appeal to a lot of creators. Now, if you want to try it yourself, Seedance 2 Mini is currently available through LitMedia, which at the time of recording is the first platform offering creator access to this model. Beyond Seedance, LitMedia has become one of those platforms I keep coming back to because it brings so many powerful AI tools together in one place. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions and constantly switching between websites, I can handle image generation, video generation, and a lot of my AI content workflow from a single dashboard. As for pricing, LitMedia offers both monthly and lifetime options depending on how you prefer to work. The Pro plan is designed for creators who generate content regularly and includes high-volume generation along with bonus credits during the first month. And if you're more focused on long-term value, they also offer a lifetime plan that includes access to selected unlimited models, monthly credits, and discounted credit purchases. I'll leave all the details down in the description if you'd like to check it out. But my biggest takeaway from today's testing is simple. Seedance 2 Mini doesn't feel like a budget version of Seedance. It feels like a more practical version. You still get impressive results, but with faster generation and fewer credits. And for many creators, that's probably the combination that matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.